We are in our Piano Adventures Theory Book, Level 1, and we're on page 6, Playing Staccato. So here is the staccato mark. It's that little dot over the head or under the head of the note. The staccato mark is a dot above or below. Staccato means to let go of the key quickly for a crisp, separated sound. Think of our jumping beans. Staccato is the opposite of legato. So our legato is smooth, staccato is short. So what we're going to do here is finish this. What is jumping on the rug? So you're going to draw a staccato dot for each note here, and then draw the bar lines for every 4 beats, and then play the song and let your fingers hop. So we're going to count 4, and every time we count 4, we're going to put in a line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, and we have a line here. So now in the left hand, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you need to put your staccato dot under each note head. And down here, they're going to be over each note head. Okay, so now I'm going to play it, and this is the staccato style. And remember, we're in our C5 finger position. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do it again. Let's play it legato. And then down at the bottom of the page right here, it says now play the song completely legato and give it a new title. Because now it's not going to be jumping. Now it's going to be slow and smooth. Here we go. Now, here is my challenge to you. I want you to play the right hand smooth and the left hand staccato, and then I want you to switch it and play the right hand staccato and the left hand smooth. This is what it will sound like. Okay, now I'm going to switch. Learn that. You'll be so proud of yourself when you can get 2 hands to do 2 completely different things at the same time.